Samsung is now working on its next major software update called One UI 8.5. This update will run on Galaxy phones and tablets, and many users are excited to see what Samsung is planning. Instead of releasing smaller updates like One UI 8.0 or 8.2, Samsung is jumping straight from One UI 8.0 to 8.5. This shows that the company is preparing a bigger upgrade with meaningful changes instead of small fixes. The full version is expected to launch next year when Samsung announces the Galaxy S26 series. Before the official launch, Samsung normally releases a beta version so selected devices can test the software early. As of early December, Samsung still has not shared a list of devices that will get beta access. A lot of users want to know if the Galaxy S24 series will be included. There is no confirmation yet, but something interesting has appeared online. An early test version of One UI 8.5 is already running on a Galaxy S24 Ultra through a developer firmware build. This gives us our first real look at what the next update might offer. The One UI 8.5 experience on the Galaxy S24 Ultra looks very similar to the leaked test builds for the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. The design, features, and interface changes match closely. This suggests Samsung is working on a unified experience for different flagship models instead of giving all the big changes only to the newer S26 series. It seems Samsung wants both older and upcoming flagships to feel modern and updated at the same time. One of the most noticeable improvements in One UI 8.5 is the redesign of Samsung's built-in apps. The Clock app now has a cleaner and more modern layout. It looks simple, easy to read, and easier to control. Samsung seems to be moving toward a smoother and minimal style with better animations, simple buttons, and neat layouts. The Calculator app is also getting a new design. It looks more organized and the tools are easier to find. Samsung has added changes that make the app more useful for daily tasks like schoolwork, budgeting, or office calculations. These updates show that Samsung wants to improve the apps people use most instead of adding random visual changes. Good Lock users may notice that a popular notification feature that was removed earlier is coming back in One UI 8.5. Good Lock is often used to test customization features before Samsung officially adds them to One UI. Bringing this feature back shows that Samsung is listening to user feedback and including ideas that the community likes. One UI 8.5 also introduces smarter notification controls. Samsung is adding a system that reduces spammy notification ads. Many apps send unnecessary notifications, especially free apps and games. These alerts can be annoying and distracting. This new feature is designed to block spam notifications and make the phone feel calmer and less cluttered. But early test versions of One UI 8.5 are missing some camera features. On devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Galaxy S25 Ultra, and Galaxy Z Fold 7, features such as dual recording and single take are not available. This has caused a lot of discussion among users. Samsung might be merging these features into a new combined tool, or they might be redesigning them completely. It could also simply be because these are early test builds, and Samsung will add the features later. There is no official confirmation yet. When it comes to AI, One UI 8.5 test versions do not show the new Galaxy AI features expected with the Galaxy S26 launch. This is normal because Samsung usually introduces major AI features first on its newest phones. Older models like the S24 series may receive them later during the One UI 8.5 update cycle or after the S26 release. Samsung is expected to focus heavily on AI in 2025, with features that are more personalized, predictive, and smart. Even though One UI 8.5 is still in early testing, it already feels stable in feature, rich on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The similarities between the S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra builds show that Samsung wants a smooth and consistent user experience across its major devices. Visually, One UI 8.5 brings cleaner layouts, softer icons, easier navigation, and faster animations. Samsung is simplifying system apps without removing important features. New notification controls help users manage their phone better. Missing camera mode suggests Samsung is still experimenting with improvements. Overall, One UI 8.5 looks promising. It brings fresh designs, useful updates, and hints of bigger features coming later. Users are waiting to see if their devices will be part of the beta program and when Samsung will reveal more details. The final version is expected to arrive next year alongside the Galaxy S26 launch, and many Galaxy fans are excited to try it.